Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everybody. This is your teacher Nelida again in a new video for you, just for you. In this opportunity, we have simple past. We are going to talk about the simple past with regular and irregular verbs. It means other verbs, not the verb to be. Other different verbs than the verb to be. So for that we are going to divide this into groups. We are going to divide. Okay, let me divide here in this part. Yes, we have two groups. The group number 1 are the regular verbs. Regular verbs. Regular verbs. And group number 2 are irregular verbs. Irregular verbs. Regular verbs and irregular verbs. Now, let's start with the group number 1 with regular verbs. In the regular verbs, we have these verbs. For example, we have play. Another example is cook. Play, cook. This is only 2 examples of regular verbs. In the simple past, these verbs are very easy because we only add ed. Ed, and this is the past. Ed, and this is the past. In the present, these verbs are play, cook. In the past, played, cooked. One more time. In the present, play, cook. In the past, played, cooked. Yes, this ed is a reference for the past. This ed is a reference for the past. For example, I can say, yesterday I played soccer. Yesterday I played soccer. This is the ed that refers the past. Another example, 2 days ago, my mother cooked a delicious salad. For example, 2 days ago, my mother cooked a delicious salad. So this is days ago, my mother cooked a delicious salad. In the past, not in the present, in the past. So these are the regular verbs, very easy to do. Only ed. We add ed. Played, cooked, for example. On the other side, the group number 2, we have the irregular verbs. In the irregular verbs, as the name says, they are irregular. They don't work like this. For example, we have the verb go, that in the past is went. In the present, go. In the past, went. Another example. For example, the word have. Have is in the present. In the past, had. One more time. In the present, go. In the past, went. In the present, have. In the past, had. This changes totally. En este caso, los irregular verbs cambian totalmente su forma cuando se vuelven al pasado. So, let's see some examples. You can say, yesterday, I went to the park. Yesterday, I went to the park. This is one example. Another example with have. 2 years ago, I had a cat. 2 years ago, I had a cat. So these are the irregular verbs. Went, had. I went to the park, I had a cat. So these are in the simple past, regular and irregular verbs. In this part, this is the affirmative form. Let's write here. Affirmative. This is the affirmative simple past.